Hi, Alex here. Welcome back to the course and welcome to the second section entitled Tips for Better Use of Code Structure. And in this first video, we are going to talk about expressively matching a value against a list of candidates. So let's jump right into it. Okay, now as you can see, we have two initial values, an integer and a string. And I would like to have these candidates like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, and I would like to match them if these candidates are actually the string. Let's call our string first. So we would go about like this: if string equals 1 or string equals 2 or string equals 3 or string equals 4. And as you can see, it is quite a lot of code to type in and it is quite cumbersome. So if string, then let's print out found item. Okay, so let's run this and let's see what happens. So here we go, I'm running it and we have found our item because actually 3 is in there. As you can see, it is quite cumbersome, so let's go at it another way. So I just copy and paste my code here and go through it. I will explain it. So as you can see, it's pretty typo proof. Go ahead and copy it out in your projects. Basically, what it does, it goes through all of the elements and checks if we do have that. Okay, it is quite hard to really go through all of these static functions, but now you can. Let's see here, and here we have our string. If string equals any of, and now I can add here 1, 2, and 3, let's see, 4, and 5. As you can see, it's much more faster to go. And let's print out found it. Okay, and let me just comment this out. Okay, so let's run this and we should get found it. Okay, and the most important part is not we just not found, we have found our string. So let's run this again and found it 3. And the most interesting part is that we can do this for other elements too. So if int equals any, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's print out found it and let's add our int here. As you can see, our int value is 4. So there we go. Let's run this. And found it 3 and found it 4. It is in the log. So it really works. And it is much more easy to do this instead of all of this cumbersome and long code. So there you have it. How you can expressively match a value against a list of candidates. Now I hope you enjoyed this video.